Gearheads, welcome back to Top Car Specs, and today we're diving into the world of high-octane luxury with the all-new 2023 Mercedes-AMG S63 Performance. This automotive beast is a masterpiece of engineering, blending unparalleled performance, refined elegance, and cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey to uncover the essence of this automotive gem. The Mercedes-AMG S63 is the pinnacle of Mercedes-AMG's engineering and design expertise. It's not just a car, it's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. This flagship model redefines the expectations of what a luxury sedan can be, pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Under the hood of this beast lies a ferocious heart, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that unleashes a staggering 621 horsepower and 613 pounds-feet of torque. This potent powertrain catapults the S63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds, proving that luxury and performance can coexist seamlessly. Behold, all this performance in a luxurious package comes with a price that's not for the faint-hearted. Luxury comes with a premium, and the S63 is no exception. With a starting MSRP of $181,900, it sits at the top of the luxury sedan segment. But for those seeking the ultimate expression of automotive luxury and performance, the S63 delivers an experience that's worth every penny. The S63's exterior is a symphony of elegance and aggression. The signature Panamericana grille, the sculpted lines, and the imposing stance exude a sense of power and refinement. It's a car that demands attention, whether it's cruising down the boulevard or parked outside a Michelin-starred restaurant. Stepping inside the S63 is like entering a private haven. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with the finest Napa leather, intricate wood inlays, and gleaming chrome accents. The seats are meticulously sculpted to provide support and comfort like no other, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. The S63 is packed with the latest technology, starting with the MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive touchscreen that spans almost the entire dashboard. The system is responsive, intuitive, and packed with features, including voice recognition and gesture control. The S63 also boasts a host of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue, making the S63 a true technological marvel. The rear seats in the S63 are a testament to Mercedes-Benz's reputation for luxury. They offer ample legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers, and the seats themselves are incredibly comfortable. The optional rear executive package takes rear seat comfort to a whole new level, with heated and ventilated seats, massage functions, and a rear entertainment system. The 2023 Mercedes-AMG S63 is the ultimate expression of automotive luxury and performance. It's a car that has it all: power, refinement, technology, and a sense of occasion that makes every journey extraordinary. If you're seeking the pinnacle of automotive excellence, the S63 is the only choice. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. I'm Chris Jordan from Top Car Specs, and I'll see you soon.